Hi, this is Neil Payne of Sports Reference, and we're here at widgets.sportsreference.com, which we're launching today as a kind of homepage for these widgets that we are introducing. Maybe you've seen them before on the tables on the site, but this is a page where it's kind of a main clearinghouse for all the widgets. And you can get the code for the widgets. And right now we have widgets from Baseball Reference and Hockey Reference, and then Pro and College Football Reference, and just a variety of different popular tools all on the same page to make it easy for you to grab the code and put it on your site. So I'm just going to take you on kind of a tour of these, and let's just start with the baseball widgets. And right now, as you can see, the team schedule, say you want to look at the last 5 days and the next 5 days of results for a team, you pick 5 from this drop down, and since we're here in Philly, I thought I'd pick the Phillies. And if I picked a different team, you see the code would change, and the code kind of changes automatically whenever you make a selection. And one cool thing is that you can use this preview button, and it'll actually pop up a box that shows you exactly how the widget is going to be rendered on your site. So right here, it's just the way it'll look when you paste that code onto your site. And you can do that for other things, like say you wanted the top 10 in WAR on the Red Sox, then you would select that, and then you'd get that neat little table on to paste onto your site if you just grab this code and then put it into your HTML view of your blog, say, or your site itself. And so those are the baseball ones. As you can see, we have the schedule, which you saw, the team WAR. We also have standings and just overall season leaders. Like if you want the AL leaders in WAR for this season, you can call that up and have that on your page. And again, it's going to constantly update throughout the season. So what you see right here today is accurate as of, through yesterday's games, but it's going to constantly dynamically update during the season. So in the past, we made it possible to share tables, but they were always static, so they would freeze at the moment that you shared them, which kind of was a pain for a lot of people who wanted to share stats that constantly updated. So we listened to you guys and created these widgets, which are going to allow you to have them updated freshly every day throughout the season. Basketball reference widgets and college basketball are coming soon. We didn't get them up in time for the launch on this page, but you can also go to basketballreference.com eventually and use the embed command on a specific table, and it will put it into your site, and you'll get the code. And as you can see, for hockey reference, we have the standings, and you can choose the division. Also for pro football reference, and then for college football. And a lot of these for the division, you'll have to kind of be smart about it and choose a conference. Like say you chose the SEC. Well, the SEC doesn't have like a Legends or Leaders conference, so you'll have to actually pick a division that's in that conference. And eventually we're going to make it possible where you don't have to make that decision yourself, but that's something to kind of watch out for. But as you can see, it's pretty simple and intuitive, and you'll be able to add these stats to your site, and they'll actually update as we update our database, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much everything. If you have any questions, you can contact us at Sports Reference with the feedback button that's always at the bottom of every page under Found a Bug or How to Have a Suggestion. And enjoy the widgets. They should really come in handy for you if you want to have updated stats on your site throughout the season.